Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to unbox the KNITCRATE, and this is the original membership monthly subscription for KNITCRATE. It usually arrives the first week of the month, a bit towards the second week of the month because it comes from America and I live in London. I really like the box this month. I usually get it in a bag, in one of those bowly bags, but this month they decided to send it in a box and I'm so excited. I did have a little look at their blog where they give you the theme for the month and you see a little bit of the wool that they're going to send you, but that you still get the surprise. I don't always look at the blog to see what it is because I kind of like the surprise, but I'm so excited about this this month. And before we start, let me tell you a little bit about it. So you subscribe for a monthly box and you pay a certain amount of money depending on what KNITCRATE you decide to get. I have just the original one, and I do get sent the artisan one just for, like, you know, reviewing for a little bit for a couple of months. But for this one I pay every month and I really love it. I like this one, to be honest. I like this one better than the artisan, and this one is cheaper. It's, I think, $24.99, so about 17 pounds, which is amazing because you would pay 17 pounds or even 20 pounds for a nice skein of hand-dyed yarn, and here you get 2 skeins. And let's go ahead and take a look inside. Woohoo! Whoa! I really like what it says on the lid, and I'm going to show you what it says on the lid. I'm ready for my close-up. Snap a shot for a chance to win 3 free months of KNITCRATE and post it to Ravelry, Instagram or Facebook. We will definitely post it on Instagram and Facebook. And the theme for this month is contemporary. Contemporary, comfortable color, the richness of a worn leather chair next to a sleek modern desk, found in a juxtaposition of matte and gloss, saturated hues and whispering dusty tones. This month's colorways and yarns speak to the movement from winter to spring, a sacrifice of darkness to light, and the serenity of an atmosphere ready to change for a new season. I really like that. I like it that they have a theme for every month and then they stick to it and they write beautiful, you know, text. And ooh, you've seen a sneak peek of the yarn. Let's look at the patterns first. And here they are. The knit designer is Susan Hogel. I'm not sure I know how to say that that name, but Suzanne, thank you very much. This is amazing. And it's a shawl, I think. It's called Daxis. I believe the other shawl is called Axis from the KNITCRATE. I'm not sure, but do have a look in the description for a link to the artisan KNITCRATE unboxing. And in this original membership, you usually get a knit pattern and a crochet pattern. And here we have the crochet pattern. And this is a cabled clutch. Crochet designer is Marie Segares. I don't know how to say that. Let's not butcher the name. Marie, thank you very much. It's beautiful. But I think I'm going to do the knit pattern. We shall see. You get links to the patterns, so you don't get the patterns printed in the box, but on the back of your card you get links to where you can go on Ravelry or to download or save in your iBooks or a PDF for the patterns. And I want to tell you the retail value. The retail value for this box is $63. So each skein is 24 pounds. Each pattern is 5 pounds. So 2 patterns, 10 pounds. And then the shipping is 5 pounds. And the wool, oh my goodness. The wool, it's kind of like I think it's 4 ply actually, but you get 2 2 plies of white and 2 plies of like not black but dark gray, and it looks speckled. In the pattern it looks speckled as well. It's so soft. All the wool is so soft. I don't understand. This is 40% Peruvian Highland wool, 20% nylon, and it's 40% merino wool. Yeah, I forgot to read that. Fingering weight, 437 yards, 400 meters, 100 grams each skein, and the suggested needle size is US 01 or 2.5 millimeters. The yarns are naturally colored. Each skein is unique. Whoa, I love it. Oh, let me tell you. La Brebis by KNITCRATE. That's the name of the wool. It's so soft. It's so soft. It has 40% merino in it, but it looks like it's 80%. It feels like it's 80% merino. And here is here's the second skein. And I have to say, every time I see fingering weight yarn, all I can think is Tagna sweater. I don't know why, because I'm knitting my second one now. I've knitted my first one from a KNITCRATE membership box, and then I ordered Malabrigo yarn to do my second one, and I shall see. Maybe I will knit a shawl from this, but it's beautiful, beautiful wool. And you get some tissue, and at the bottom it says, "What are you doing looking at my bottom? All the good stuff is up there." I like it. I didn't get tissue paper with my artisan box. I don't know why. Anyway, I really like this box, and the patterns as well. Oh, I forgot to tell you that with the KNITCRATE box, you get 2 skeins of yarn, you get 2 patterns, and you also get discount codes. And in this month, we have 50% of any pattern or ebook at Marie's Ravelry store. That's amazing. You get any pattern for half price. So yeah, that's really, really good. Thank you very much, KNITCRATE. I love this month so much. The artisan and this one. I haven't got the sock one because I don't knit too many socks, especially I don't knit many like fingering weight socks. I like to knit them in worsted weight. But yeah, this is the KNITCRATE for May 2018. I hope you like it, and check the link in the description for how to get your membership and all the details about it, and also check my other videos on KNITCRATE unboxing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.